The pandemic in the last 2 years have created so many issues for so many people. But we need not worry about these things because our kit on how to overcome depression without medicine comes with so many different activities that helps you to feel the energy back again when your mind is fresh, because we give the activities for the mind. You can think of new work to be done. Our kit comes with therapies that boost personality. And I'm sure that once you practice all that we have given in our kit on how to overcome depression, you will find that your confidence levels are increasing. Now, you know that mind and body are connected with each other. If something happens to the body, the mind feels dull and depressed. If something happens at the level of the mind, the body becomes weak and helpless. Now, when you use our kit, which has activities for both mind and body, you will find that both are energized, rejuvenated. And once that happens, you will get your confidence back. I guarantee you. There are different therapies given in the kit, and there are different challenges also given for the mind to work so that our own creativity is again activated. Now, I can only say that you will experience all these things when you download the kit and use it. Right now, you may be in doubt, but believe me, hundreds of people have used this treatment method. This self-help guide that we have given in the kit has helped many people to come out of all the helpless situations and all the confusions and all the sadness. So do not waste time. Go and download the kit. Also go to our YouTube channel and watch the videos and look for our webinars where we help people how to overcome depression. Surely you will come out of it, I guarantee that.